Hello, third grade. This is take 4 on this video because technology is not my friend this Monday. We are working on lesson 9, problem set 9. You're going to cut out the tangram pieces from the sheet that was included in your packets. Please pause the video to do that before following along. Now that you have the pieces cut out, we're going to use 2 or more tangram pieces to make the following shapes. I will make one. So you have an example, and then you will make one. So then you'll have 2 shapes. The one that I made, you're going to write on your sheet, and then the one that you make that you will write on your sheet. So a rectangle that does not have equal sides, does not have all equal sides. So I will use the square, and I will use one of those triangles, and that's not quite a rectangle, so I can use another triangle. And now that is a rectangle. Got the 2 long sides and the 2 short sides. So I want you to pause the video, draw this shape, use the tangram pieces to make another rectangle and draw it right here. B is a triangle, so I will use the big triangle. But I have to use more than one shape, so I will also use the small triangle. It's not quite a triangle, so I can use the other triangle. And now it looks more like a triangle. I want you to pause the video, draw this example triangle, use your tangram pieces to create another triangle, and then draw it right here. C is a parallelogram. So you're going to use some pieces to make a parallelogram. Well, I like that square piece, so I'm going to start with that. And one triangle. Let's see, maybe I can use the other triangle. I sure can. There is a parallelogram. I want you to pause the video, draw this parallelogram, use your tangram pieces to create another parallelogram, and draw it here. D, a trapezoid. I think I can use the exact same pieces for here, right, for here. So, draw that square. Triangle. Triangle. It is a trapezoid. So draw this on your paper and pause the video to make and draw another trapezoid right there. Number 2, it says use your smallest triangles to create a square, parallelogram, and a triangle. So the 2 small triangles you need to get out. We are going to create a parallelogram as the example. So we got that there, that there. Okay, so how could I wonder if I can put the long side there. I sure can. I made a parallelogram with those 2 small triangles. You need to use the 2 small triangles to make a square and draw it here. You need to use the 2 small triangles to make a triangle and draw it here. Pause the video to do that. Number 3, you are going to create your own shape. You do not have to do it on a piece of paper. Just use those tangram pieces, all 7 of the tangram pieces, to make a new shape. And then you have to describe its attributes. So, how many sides? How many angles? Is anything parallel? How many lines are parallel? So pause the video to do that. Do not worry about number 4 because it says partner. If it says partner, I say from now on, we're just going to cross it out. So you will cross out number 4. Make sure that if you have any questions, you email me or send me a message on Seesaw. It looks like I made it through. Fourth time's the charm. Oh, hit the wrong button. Sorry. Bye third grade, almost fourth grade.